Hello guys, I hope you are staying safe with your family and enjoying your time at home. Actually, I'm recording this video today to show you how to make a perfect cup of coffee. Like the one that you get from Starbucks usually. Many people are asking, why when I do my Starbucks coffee beans to prepare my coffee at home, I got different taste. It's completely different than the one that I got at Starbucks coffee, while they are using almost the same coffee beans, not that complicated machine. It's an instant coffee machine, exactly the same one that I'm using at the home. Not exactly, I mean the same mechanism, and it should do the same job. So actually, in this video, I will show you the secret of how you can prepare a perfect coffee exactly like the one that you buy usually from Starbucks. Okay, let's start here. Okay, first of all, you need your grounded coffee for French press. You need a stopwatch, and I will show you why we need to use it later on. And any of the French press equipment that you can use. Today I'm using this one. I will not show the brand because it's not a commercial video here. Okay, let's start, guys. First of all, let's give you an idea about the equipment that we can use and the capacity of each of them, so you build an idea about what you need to do based on the equipment and the French press that you have at home. Okay, guys, today I will use this one. The capacity of this one is about 700 millimeters. Let's check together. Okay, as you can see here, it's exactly 700. So today I'm using 700 millimeter French press. And what about the coffee? Okay, guys, please be accurate and very sensitive about this equation. Each 700 millimeter, I mean the entire French press that I have today, it needs 2 spoons of the coffee. 2 spoons of the coffee for the 700 millimeter. In other words, you need to use one spoon for each 350 millimeter of water. 1 spoon for each 350 millimeter. This is the golden equation that you should remember and follow all the time. Okay, so when we talk about the spoons, which kind of the spoons here? It's the one that come with the French press, the one like this, or the usual spoon we use all the time at the kitchen. Okay, you can use both of them actually as the following. As you can see, if I want to use the one that come with the French press, I have to use 2 of these for the 700 millimeter. In other words, 1 spoon for each 350. 1 spoon for each 350 millimeters. Okay, but guys, come on. This is not a proper thing to do it. The spoon should look like this. Exactly like this, as you can see here. This is one of the secret that you should follow up in order to get the perfect coffee you are looking for. Okay, let's start then. Since I'm using 700 millimeter French press, I will use 2 of these. One. As you can see again here, 2. Or 3 spoons in case I'm using the usual spoon like this. 3 like this. Okay, that's about the coffee. Now what about the water? Okay, the water. In case you want to prepare a hot coffee, you need to use water from the kettle, not the hot water from the cooler. Again, you need to use hot water from the kettle. And how to put it inside the French press? You need to use this way, slowly, and keep moving. Slowly and keep moving. The idea, guys, here, you need to cover all the coffee, small pieces and unit, yeah? The question here, should I stir it? This is one of the main common mistakes, guys. Don't stir the coffee after putting the water at all. If you did that, you will crash the pieces of the coffee and make it really giving the result that you don't want. Then I have to cover it without pressing the French press. Just cover it and start count 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Here's the stopwatch. 4 minutes exactly, not 4.5, not 3.5. 4 minutes exactly, guys, in order to get the perfect coffee you are looking for. Trust me, guys, if you follow with these instructions exactly, you will get the most perfect cup of coffee you had ever at home. Okay, now you will start countdown. It's almost 4 minutes. You need to stop exactly at 4 minutes, not more than 4 or less than 4. 5, 4, 3, 1. Yes. Okay. Now we should start pressing here. Slowly. And enjoy your coffee, guys. I hope this video gave you a new learning experience. I'm inviting you to share your experience here and feedback via comment. If you tried to with this recipe yourself, or if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe the channel in case you like the video. Thank you.